Hi, today I would like to share how to build AI development environment. Okay, in our company, we use MacBook Pro to be our client, and we use client server architecture to do the AI development. Okay, and we use this remote desktop protocol to client to connect to client to from client to our server. We use remote desktop protocol to connect from client to server. Okay, and how to use the remote desktop protocol in Mac. Okay, you can download this one. This one is Microsoft Remote Desktop. It's free. It's free software, and you can set up your connection, login username and password in by using this user interface. And usually we will use a VPN. We will use VPN the to do the connection because it's not safe. It's not safe to use RDP outside your office. So usually, if you are working from home or you are working outside, we recommend you to use VPN to connect to your server. Okay, and there are two options. The first one is Linux. The second one is Windows. And if you are okay with Linux, we recommend you to use Linux because the performance is almost 50% better if you compare with Windows. Okay, the Linux performance is much better, but 99% of our users they prefer to use Windows because they thought it's easier to use Windows user interface to do the AI training and inference. Okay, okay. If you are using Windows, okay, please go to this folder and read this file. Okay, how to use? The first, please make sure you use 7-zip to do the unzip, because WinRR will cause file loss. Okay, that's very important. And the second, please install those two files. They are for the TensorFlow. They are for the TensorFlow. And please use activate.bat to activate this software. Activate.bat is here. Okay, please input activation code. And then please execute update path.bat here to update path for PIP and TensorFlow. And you can use Jupyter Lab.bat to start Jupyter Lab user interface. Okay. And from this user interface, you please go to this subscription folder, and you will see there are many solutions. For example, chatbot, compo connection, data analysis, and we recommend you to use the XGBoost first. And how to set up inference API server and barcode analysis, barcode generator, and image classification. Okay, and FaceNet is for face identification, and human pose is it can do the human pose estimation and also people counting. And this one, object detection, we recommend you to use YOLO V4. And OCR to recognize your word from image. And OpenCV examples, and to generate the QR code, screen capture, and the image segmentation. Those two algorithms, mask RCNN and UNet, they are used for medical image analysis and AGV or ADAS, and image stitching and model conversion. It's very important if you would like to deploy your model from your training server to edge device, or you will need this model conversion functions. And sound related, speech to text, and text to speech. Okay, that's for the Windows development environment. Okay, if you are using Linux, okay, it's a bit different, and please check this README. So first, you will need to install relative software packages by those 3 steps. Okay, then activate this software and start user interface. And if you would like to use Spider, you can also use Spider. Okay, and there's one thing. If you would like to use RDP for Ubuntu, you will need to install RDP. Please go to this folder, change it to this folder, and install this XRDP. Then you will be able to connect to Linux by using the remote desktop protocol. Okay, that will be very convenient. However, there is only one person can access the RDP at one time, at the same time, because this software, it did not support multiple users to log in Linux desktop at the same time. Okay, and for our customers, some customers, they bought the Windows server with 5 RDP client license. Okay, that will be, that makes them to be able to connect to their Windows server. 5 of them, can connect to their Windows server at the same time. Okay, so it's very easy to build your own AI development environment by using this RDP for Windows and also for the Linux. Okay, and if you would like to see the same user interface, please double click here, Jupyter Lab, run in terminal, and you will see exactly the same Jupyter Lab user interface. And please go to the subscription folder and the same solutions for Linux. Okay, of course, we modify some path, and some codes for Linux because there are some differences between those two operation systems. Okay. Okay. If you would like to see more educational videos, please go to our official website, OpenRobot, and there are many educational videos for you, and they are free. And you would like to follow those videos, please register to be our free members, and you will get email every week, and we will send this educational video list to you by email every week. And if you would like to buy the software, please go to the market. You can buy the ORAI server and the AI training to help you to solve the issues and problems. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.